What's up, Roses? It's your girl, Rasa naman. And for today's video ay turok sa inyo yung Forever ng Baby Monster. So, bago tayo mag-upisa, isimirror ko yung video na to. Okay, so first step is nakaharap kayo dito sa right side. So, nakaslant kayo and magja-jump kayo papunta dito sa left side. Okay, so 1. Okay, so yung kamay nyo naman, naka-close yan. And papunta sa likod, down, front, up. Okay, so pag ganyan yung ikot ng kamay nyo, papasok. Okay, so kasabay nun yung pag-jump nyo. So, 1, then hakbang yung inyong right leg, then tuck. Okay, so pagbabanggain nyo lang na ganyan yung inyong arm. Okay, so 1, 2, then after nyan is ikot nyo yung kamay nyo pag ganito. So, yung inyong left arm yung nakataas and yung right arm nakababa. Then, tuck, tuck. Okay, so jump, tuck, then up, then bend yung inyong legs. Okay, so yung hip nyo, itong right hip nyo, yung nakaangat na ganyan. Okay, so yung inyong left leg is ibebend nyo. So, 1, 2. Okay, so yung head nyo, papunta dito sa right side. Okay, so 1, then close, then tuck, 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 tuck. So, dadaan nyo yan dito sa inyong chin. Okay, so 1, clap, then 2, clap. Okay, so yung hip nyo, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so una is right leg. Right, left, right, left. Okay, so jump, then close, then ikot, clap, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so counting tayo, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step naman, after nung part na paganto, so yung head nyo is nakaharap dito sa left side. Okay, so iakbang nyo yung inyong right leg paharap. Okay, so tuck, tuck, and 1, 2. Okay, so una is nakabended. Pagka 2 is aangat nyo ganyan yung head nyo. Okay, so tuck, tuck, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so yung kamay nyo, unang aangat is yung inyong left arm. Okay, so tuck, tuck, 1, then right, then left, then right. So yung inyong katawan naman is angat, then down, angat, down. Okay, so tuck, tuck, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, after nyan is tuck, tuck. Okay, so galing dito yung inyong right leg, i-close nyo siya dito. Okay, so mag-jump kayo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so yung inyong kamay naka-close, then 1, 2. Okay, so baba yung right, then tuck, then tuck. Okay, so 1, 2, then 3, 4. Okay, so pagka lagay ng kamay nyo sa head is naka-straight siya ang ganito. Okay, so naka-close na ganyan, jump, 1, 2, then jump, 4. Okay, so galing dito, 1, 2, jump, 4. Okay, so counting tayo, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step naman, after nung part na ganito, is iaangat nyo ng 2 counts yung inyong kamay na ganyan. Okay? So, 1, 2. Okay? So, yung inyong legs naman, yung right leg, yung papunta sa likod. Okay? So, 1, 2. Okay? So, galing dito, 1, 2, then cross, open, tuck. Okay, so cross yung kamay, then dito, i-open nyo, then pagkataas ng kamay nyo is iaangat nyo tong right leg nyo. Okay, so tuck. Okay, so parang hagis lang ganon yung kamay. Okay, so galing dito, 1, 2, 3, up. Okay, then after nyan, hakbang nyo yung inyong right leg dito sa right side. And yung inyong right arm nandito sa left side. So, nakapoint siyang ganyan. Then, yung head nyo nandito sa right side. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay, so ikot lang siya. Tak, ikot, papunta dito sa right side. Okay? So, galing dito, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, then, tuck, tuck, then, after nyan, is, ikot nyo yung inyong right arm dito sa left arm nyo. Tuck. So, ganyan lang. Down, then, up. Okay? So, galing dito, down, up, then, tuck. Okay? So, iaangat nyo lang siya and i-close nyo yung inyong legs. So, counting tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step naman, after nung part na ganito, is iakbang nyo yung inyong left leg, then tuck. Okay, so papunta kayo dito sa left side. Left, right, then. Pag ganyan. Okay, so papunta yung kamay nyo dito sa left side, then right. Okay, so galing dito. 1, 2, then angat naman itong left arm nyo, then hakbang dito sa right side, then tuck. Okay, so palit lang sila. Okay, so galing dito, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yung sa 6 count is gaganyan nyo yung inyong hair. Okay, so pag ganyan, then tuck, tuck, tuck. Okay, so una is head, then shoulder, then down. Okay, so galing dito, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, slide, jump, slide, then step, tuck, and 1, 2, down. Okay? So, counting tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, next step naman is una nyong yakbang yung right leg nyo. And yung inyong kamay is down, up, then close. Okay? Down, up, close, then tuck, tuck, tuck. Okay? So, bababa nyo yung inyong right, then left. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So, yung hips nyo, hakbang, hakbang, then down. Okay? So, 1, 2, tuck, down, then right, then left. Okay? So, kapag kayong right na yung nakababa, yung inyong right hip yung nakaangat. So, tuck, tuck. Okay? So, counting muna tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, then 5, 6. Okay? So, yung 5 is down, then up, then down, then turo. Okay? So, down, papunta dito sa right side, then left, then right, left, right. Okay? So, 1 and 2. So, pagka 2 is, iangat nyo yung inyong left leg. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay? So, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay? So, counting tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step naman is nakalap kayo dito sa left side pero nakapaslant lang kayo. Okay? So, yung inyong katawan is magwe-wave. So, nakabend kayo, then wave, tap. Okay? So, pataas yung wave nyo. Okay? So, yung kamay nyo naman, itong left hand nakaganto and right hand nandito sa likod ng left hand nyo and paakyat siyang ganyan. Okay? So, galing dito, 1, 2. Okay? So, yung katawan nyo, 1, 2, then lagay nyo yung inyong left hand dito sa side ng head nyo, then tap, tap, tap. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3. So, from knee, then center, then hip. Okay? So, yung katawan nyo naman is mag-wave pa din siya. Nakalagay dito, then tap, tap, tap. Okay? So, countings muna tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then, after nyan, down yung inyong leg, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so, lagay nyo yung kamay nyo dito sa knee, then, chest out, then, tuck. So, papunta dito sa harap ng hip nyo. Okay, so, knee, then, tuck, chest out, tuck. Then, igaganyan nyo yung inyong hair. Okay, so, tatapon nyo lang pa ganyan. Okay, so, knee, tuck, tuck, tuck. Okay, so, countings tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next part naman is similar lang siya doon sa previous part. Okay, so ang pinagkaiba lang is papunta dito sa side ng body nyo, yung kamay nyo, then pa-close. Okay, so 1, 2. So, pa-forward naman kayo niya. 1, 2, then up, then close, then tuck, tuck. Okay? So, counting tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next part naman is yakbang nyo yung inyong left leg. Left, then right. Okay? So, yung right leg nyo is magpo-point siya. Okay? So, 1, then 2. Okay? So, 1, then yung right arm papunta dito sa left chest nyo. Okay? So, hakbang, then tuck, then balik yung inyong legs palikod, tuck, and dito naman sa head. Okay? So, una is 1, 2, then balik, up. Okay? So, yung inyong left leg naman yung naka-point. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, up, then tuck, tuck. Okay? So, yung inyong right arm is naka-L sign siyang ganyan. Then, slide lang siya papunta dito sa center. Okay? So, like dito, 1, then 2, and slide, then, gano'n lang. Flying kiss lang siyang gano'n. Okay? So, counting tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, that's it for today's video. Kung natutunan nyo to, just click the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to be updated. And don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. And see you guys on my next video. Bye!